Let's move now to Maharashtra, where 4,000 residents, medical residents from across the state will begin an indefinite strike today to demand action against 3 policemen who beat up a junior resident at a Solapur hospital.
Dr. Prashant Patil, a first-year resident at the VM Solapur hospital, was beaten by the constables when he told them that he could not attend to a pregnant woman as he was not authorized to carry out surgeries. The entire incident, in fact, was captured on CCTV cameras. You can see those pictures play out. Dr. Patil, who is now being treated for injuries, is at the same hospital. The statewide strike to protest against his assault is expected to severely impact health services across the state. And Viren Gunawat is now joining us from Mumbai with the very latest. Viren, the statewide strike of doctors today, but one fails to understand why has no action been initiated against these constables who beat up the doctor on duty. All of this has been caught on camera.
The latest information that we have is that investigation is still on and all the 3 policemen are still on duty, but the police have begun the investigation. The FIR has been lodged yesterday. Today, from today onwards, 4,000 resident doctors are going on strike across the state. But there's a very interesting situation in Solapur where the local politician and the local people are supporting the policemen. What they are saying that despite having the CCTV footages, but despite what they are saying that the behavior of the doctor at the initial stage was not good. He was quite adamant and rigid. He was not willing to accept the lady who was in a pain, and these policemen, the entire jurisdiction doesn't belong to these policemen, but despite the pain they had brought the woman in the hospital on an emergency. The policeman complains that the behavior was not good, and that's the reason they had slapped him twice, and that was caught on the camera. But now the medical association of resident doctors, they have taken this issue very seriously, and what they are saying, if the doctor is on duty and even the policemen were on duty, they had no rights to slap the doctors when he was doing his best to resolve the issue. But yes, from today we might see these doctors going on a strike, and they might be impacting the patients across the hospitals in the state. But yes, investigation is on, and the doctors have gone on the strike right now. Back to you.
Virendra, it just seems bizarre that the policeman would beat up someone who's pretty much their only hope right now to treat that woman. But at the same time, what I want to understand is, with these doctors going on strike, 4,000 of them across Maharashtra, has the government taken a decision on whether it would enforce the Emergency Services Maintenance Act there?
They have already told the senior doctors to be on the ground, and if these doctors have already gone on the strike, normally we have seen on the first day there's no huge impact because this is not the first time they are going on the strike. There are many incidents that had happened earlier, and they had gone the similar strikes, and on the first day there's no impact. On the second and the third day there's a huge impact because there's a lot of surgery that is taking place today that have been cancelled. But yes, there are various emergency services are required. Senior doctors have been placed, and most of the other doctors who have been placed here. So today we won't see a major impact. The important day would be tomorrow and the day after. So let's hope for the best, that the impact would be quite less. Back to you.
Virendra, thank you for keeping track of that developing story in Maharashtra.